Hello, and thank you so much for taking this course on how to master layers in Adobe Photoshop. This course is aimed at complete beginners, so if you've never used Photoshop before and feel a little overwhelmed, here is a great place to start. We're going to do one practical project together, and through this project, I'm going to show you how to import images into Photoshop, how to rename and reorganize your layers, how to duplicate, delete, or group layers together to help you be more organized. Then I'm going to show you how to add a text layer and also show you how to tell it apart from a regular image layer. Then we're going to have a little bit of fun and mess around with our creation and show you the many different ways that you can use Photoshop layers to your advantage. I can't wait to see you on the inside of this course, and at any point, please leave me a question and I'll get to it and help you out as much as I can. So without further ado, let's get started in learning about Photoshop layers.